Hi guys, Zach here with another video. So today I am going to be telling you guys about the intelligent flight modes on the Phantom 3 standard, how to use them, what intelligent flight modes are on this Phantom 3 standard. So let's get right into this video. But remember to please subscribe, like the video, and if you guys have not, turn on that notification bell, guys. I'd greatly appreciate it. Okay guys, so we are here with the Phantom 3 standard right here, ready to go. So first step you want to do is have that S1 switch right here to the right of the controller. Put it all the way down so you have it in function mode, guys. If you can see, it's going to be in the top right corner. So let's take off by putting in the joysticks inwards, start the propellers. Okay, so the first one we are going to do, guys, is point of interest mode. So if you guys look off my screen, what we're going to do, hold on guys, let me just turn up this sound. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to bring it right above us. So first thing is you have to make sure you have that all the way at the bottom, the F1 switch. Bring your camera all the way down. Press the little controller in the left, right with the return to home and the landing button. And press point of interest, okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to press, we're going to go up a little bit more, just so we don't hit the house or anything. So right about there. You press apply. Now, I want the return to home 50 meters. Now what you do want to do is you're going to use your right joystick, go backwards, guys, until you see your radius go to like 17 feet. I think you have to have it at 17. Yeah, so we're going to do like 20 feet, guys. And let's go back just a little bit more. So the radius is going to be 40 feet, okay, guys? So all we're going to do is press the start button, guys. So to turn left, you use your left stick. Turn right. So that's like your, not positioning, but your rotation, like your drone rotation. Decrease radius is going up and down. Throttle up, throttle down, clockwise. Alright, so we're going to press OK. So we want to go counterclockwise. So right now it's going counterclockwise, guys. You can set the speed. So right now we have it at 2.2 miles per hour. So we're going to just up that a little bit. Now that's all you have to do, guys. We can make it faster if we want to. 7.5 miles per hour. You guys cannot see. So that's how you do it, guys. So you can hide this if you want. So if you say, that's a good idea, we want it like that, we can just press the hide. You can pause it when it'll pause when it hits like 23 laps around. Yeah, so we can hide that. And we can see it's just doing a point of interest. So it's very easy peasy. So all we have to do is just press the stop button right here. Yes, confirm that. Okay, guys, so now the next one is the follow me mode, guys. So follow me mode is a really good mode, actually. Hold on, let me lift the camera off. So follow me mode is a nice one. I don't recommend using it that much. I don't use it that much. Hold on, guys. I'm just gonna get this off. Okay, the camera off. Hold on, guys. Oh, I need to reach his hands. Alright, guys. So what we're gonna do is follow me mode. So all you have to do is click follow me. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now what it's going to do is we're gonna put the altitude up to like 70 feet. So all it's going to do is you press apply. Now all you have to do, guys, is start walking. You guys can see, I'm going to start walking and it's going to follow us. You guys cannot tell. So hold on, let me hide this. My bad, guys. You most likely won't see the camera in my video. I'm going to just record. So if you guys can see, I'm on a walk. It's going to follow. Like a normal, easy peasy following. Now, we GPS, confirm. We're just gonna press follow me mode again. fly. Okay. Okay, so right now we have weak GPS signal, so it won't do it. But you guys get the sign. It would start following you and your controller. So that's how that works, guys. Okay, guys, so that's how that would work. So we're gonna head back over to the next. Oh, number 3, guys. Third intelligent flight mode. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna put this back on the stand. Okay. Okay, third intelligent flight mode. Press the controller button again, guys. Is waypoints. So, pretty fun one. So, all you have to do is, hold on, guys. Let me get there. I'm gonna start recording. So, all I have to do, I'm gonna press waypoints again. All I have to do is go here. I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna press start recording waypoints. Okay. So, record C1. So, that's gonna be our first one, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go out and about around near the field, guys. The field's here. I'm gonna press record another one. I'm gonna press record C1. Now I'm gonna go even farther out somewhere else in the field. And we're gonna press record C1 again. So now we have 3 waypoints. I'm gonna take it over here. Record C1, and then I'm gonna bring it back. So I'm gonna bring it back to the first waypoint, guys. I'm gonna press record C1 again. And now all we have to do is press done, guys. Return to home, yes. 50, current altitude, yes. So all it's gonna do is it's gonna uprate up the. So right now, if you guys can see, I'm gonna put it at 12 miles per hour. So if you can see, I'm not controlling this, guys. It's doing it all by itself. I'm not controlling at all. Doing it all by itself. Just gonna do its own thing. Doing it all by itself, guys. Following the waypoints, everything, guys. I'm not doing anything. It's following the waypoints. Now, you can stop this at any time in the left, right there, the red button stop. So just follow this route until it gets back to number 1. You cannot position aircraft. You cannot control anything except the camera movement. So that's an important play. If you guys cannot see it, it is out there following the route path. Don't know if you guys can see it on this camera or not, but it's following the route. You can check on the phone. I like how it's doing it sideways. So this, it's not turning for some reason, guys. Like the drone's not turning, like, can't even see it. Like, if you can see, it's already sideways up in the air. So, that's how you guys do that waypoint. And it has reached the last hovering point. Alright, guys, so the next one, and I think it's the last one. No, it's home lock. So, home lock. Okay, I never did this one. I'm gonna try it out. So we're just gonna press apply. I really don't know home lock, guys. Really, I do not know how to use that. . 'Cause 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 ' Oh, I kind of see it now. I got it. So what it's doing is, if you press the button, if I'm going, so I started this way, guys. So that's the way it's always gonna go no matter what. So if you have confusion on like which way, you don't know which way your drone's facing, that would make it go forward. So look, if I go forward, it's gonna go forward. But now if I turn around towards the house, right now, I move forward, it's going backwards. So it's really kind of like, it helps your positioning, I guess. So that's home lock. Course lock, I remember. Okay, so now we press that button again. We press course lock. Course lock is a fun one, actually. So I want to put it this way. So apply. Clockwise. Side. No joke, I really don't know what course lock is. Those are the only two I really don't get at all. Well, I don't get course lock a lot. Ooh, butterfly. But I don't really get course lock, really. You guys can look that up. But that's how you guys do it. That's how we do it, guys. Those are all 6, I think. Yes. No, 5 intelligent flight modes, guys. And then all you have to do is push this button all the way up to the top to get out of intelligent flight modes, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and if you guys like the video, and if you guys are new, turn on that notification bell, guys, or even returning to subscribers, turn on that notification bell, guys, because we're going to be doing more drone videos. We're going to still be doing live streams, and you know, you're pretty awesome. So see you guys in the next one. Peace.